In this video, I want to share my story of how I became an Atlassian Community Champion. And in case you didn't know, Atlassian has a special group of folks around the world that all for free and all on their own time volunteer to help people like you get better, more comfortable, answer questions of all about the Atlassian ecosystem. So whether that's Jira, Confluence, Bitbucket, Compass, all the tools, there's somebody out there in the world that out of the kindness of their heart, no payment whatsoever. They go and help either answer your questions or they go and find answers for you and then answer your questions. But or they even create events around the world as well. And so the Champions is such a cool program, and I am fortunate enough to be a part of it. But in this video, I wanted to walk you through my journey to becoming an Atlassian champion. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and drop a like, and let's jump into the story. So my story starts out in 2021. At the end of 2021, I started creating YouTube videos, and this was mainly to help me get better at Jira. I was in between work, and there was a global pandemic happening, and I knew that I wanted to master something. I knew that I wanted to get very skilled at something because my career up until 2021 was me just being good enough at not getting fired, but I never specialized in anything. And so that summer of 2021, I kind of had a moment of like, what do I want to really focus on? What do I want to become an expert in? And so that summer, I ended up recording a series of videos on how to use Jira. Now, I sat on those videos forever, and eventually I got the courage to post them, not knowing what that path would take me down. And so at the end of 2021, I finally built up that courage. I post those videos, and nobody shows up because nobody usually does, right? And that's that YouTuber life for you. But as we go into 2022, and as we approach the summer of 2022, I started getting a little bit more aggressive with my consistency of posting videos. And the biggest thing I did was I started doing live streams. And in those live streams, I started showing people how to solve real Jira problems live. And I opened up opportunities for people to come in and ask questions. And then I started going through the Atlassian forums. Back then, it was just community questions. And I started answering questions live on the internet. Now, slowly, because I was doing the live stream, I started having regular people show up because I was consistently going on these lives. And I was fortunate enough to run into Rodney Nissen, the Jira guy. Now, him and I started building a relationship online. We never seen each other, we never met each other, but he liked the stuff I was doing. I went and checked out his stuff, and I liked the stuff that he was doing. And our friendship was bonded. And over time, as we head into April 2023, Rodney is at the Atlassian Team Conference in Vegas. I'm at the Team Conference in Vegas in 2023. And I'm texting Rodney. In fact, I was tweeting Rodney because the only way we had to communicate, because, stranger danger, was through Twitter. And so I was sending him Twitter messages, and the back and forth was just taking forever. But Rodney told me that he was at the conference by the time I got there, but he was busy. And he was doing this, what he called community leaders workshop. And that was interesting to me because I had no idea what a community leaders workshop was. And it ended up that that's when I got introduced into the world of community leaders, which have now been rebranded to community champions. And Rodney told me everything about the community leaders, aka champions program, about how they get to come to team a little bit early and they have these workshops and they get to learn how to, be a community leader. And there's all these kind of special things for them. And then there was this community leader booth, and we got to hang out there. And that's when Rodney introduced me to this new content creators program that they were going to be introducing that was only exclusively open for community leaders. And so that's kind of where I hit my biggest fork in the road, which was, how do I become a community leader? Well, back in 2023, the bar was very, very different. And you needed to do one of two things. You could either be an event leader, which allowed you to basically create events in your local city. And you'd have to have a certain number of events per year to qualify for that. Or you could answer community questions. Now you have to answer dozens and dozens of questions. And so those are the two different paths that you could take. Now I was not an events person. I didn't really want to do that. And it turns out I hadn't answered enough questions on the forums to qualify for that either. So I was a little bit stuck, and Rodney and a few other community leaders were championing for me. And eventually, Atlassian ended up breaking the requirement that you needed to be a community leader, and they made me a content creator. So they called them Atlassian creators. And so that was cool. I got my foot in, I got onboarded. We had an amazing program manager, Lauren. Shout out to Lauren if you're watching. Right. And so now I was able to come in. However, there was still a little bit of a divide. Atlassian had the community leaders, and now we had this new program that was up and coming, the Atlassian creators. Now, over time, Again, this is 2023, right? So if we go into 2024 and into 2025, Atlassian has now merged everything. And so we don't have community leaders, we don't have Atlassian creators, we just have what's called champions. And I'm very happy to be a part of this. In fact, I've even won an award for most content here as an Atlassian champion. And so this is a role that I love. I participate very, very proudly because it helps make an impact. It helps make a difference for people. And I get to see people from all over the world. And this is one of the coolest things that makes the Atlassian Champions program so cool, especially when you compare it to other communities in the IT space, right? In the developer space, that they just don't invest the way Atlassian does. I have some of the strongest relationships with people in the Atlassian ecosystem. There's people that I only see 1 or 2 times a year, but they feel like brothers and sisters to me. And that I think is so cool because we get to spend so much time online. And again, even though we're kind of strangers because we only see each other once or twice a year, we spend so much time supporting each other, being there for each other, giving each other critiques and advice, and just being a cheerleader for each other. And so this is one of my favorite things about being an Atlassian creator, an AKA a champion, and it's just such a cool thing. And so that's my story. I wanted to share with you on how I got here. And if you're a content creator and you like making things for Atlassian, then I highly recommend you apply as well. Atlassian is always looking for new champions to join the family, and so use that link down below to join the program.